Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G200 5G, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to pick photos category. Here at the last place we have watermark option, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, now we get access to watermarks settings. Let me focus on the second option, device watermark. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. And when it's turned on, we can see it also in short preview. So this is how Motorola's watermark looks like, shot on Moto G200 5G. And of course, when we don't need it, we can turn it off here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.